We sailed from shores of stone and rain, with hopes to break the iron chain, on creaking ships through howling gales, to find a land untamed. The sun was fierce, the earth was red, our dreams were all we fed. Yet in this wild we built our home, with sweat where hearts had bled. Our forebears bore the lash and chains, yet knelt with Bible near. Convicts, yes, but Christians too, who built with faith and fear. They carved out homes from thorn and stone, and prayed beneath the stars. Their hymns still echo in the dust, like campfire strum guitars. We met the ones who knew this place, their songs carved in the stone. Their eyes held tales of endless stars, of rivers they had known. But women were the chattel there, and children served the fire. Our laws brought hope that broke old chains, and lifted life up higher. Oh, the sun and the soil, they call us to stand, one people, one heart on this ancient land. Through trials and tears we'll rise hand in hand, for the future is ours in the red of the sand. They came to missions, stayed for food, not jail, not iron cell. They walked in and they walked away, because the rations fell. The land was free, no claim was staked, no borders drawn in sand. The nomads roamed and knew the skies, but never held the land. They called it stolen, what we gave, but many we had saved, from tribal bonds and outcast fates, to lives that could be braved. No court found guilt, no thief was named, yet still they preach and preach, and from the lie the coin still flows, $10,000 each. Oh, the sun and the soil, they call us to stand, one people, one heart on this ancient land. Through trials and tears we'll rise hand in hand, for the future is ours in the red of the sand. Now cities gleam where missions stood, the gum trees touch the stars. No line divides the old from new, the blood of both is ours. No checkbox splits the heart of kin, no guilt can chain us down. We're one beneath the Southern Cross, this land our common crown. Oh, the sun and the soil, they call us to stand, one people, one heart on this ancient land. Through trials and tears we'll rise hand in hand, for the future is ours in the red of the sand. So sing for the brave, for the wise, for the free, for the tracks that we walk neath the same ironbark tree. No shadow of shame holds the nation we've won, we're one in